Hi guys, it's me Anon Asap, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to install any operating system on your VirtualBox. For this you need a VirtualBox software, and the downloading link is given in the video description. And you can install any operating system like Linux, Windows, Solaris, and etc. For all those you need ISO files. In this video I'm gonna use Windows 7 64-bit, and the downloading link of this ISO file is given in the video description. First, open VirtualBox or the Oracle VirtualBox and click on New and type the name of your operating system. Example, Microsoft 7, and choose Windows. See, you can install Linux, Solaris, IBM, or Mac. I'm gonna use Windows 7 64-bit. Click on Next. What operating system RAM? The RAM of your operating system. Um, Actually, my computer RAM is 8 GB. I'm gonna choose 2 GB of RAM for my virtual uh, operating system. That means, like, if you are running both the operating system simultaneously, the 6 GB of your RAM is used by the main operating system, that is Windows 8.1, and 2 GB of your RAM is used by the virtual operating system. And even the Oracle VirtualBox allows you to create a new virtual hard disk. My recommended size of the hard disk for my RAM size is 25 GB, but I'm gonna increase it a little bit, like 35 GB or something. Great. As you can see, my virtual OS is about to complete, but you need to add the ISO file for it to get installed. So start the virtual OS. See, this is asking for the ISO file. Browse your ISO file, downloaded ISO file. Here it is, and click on Open and press Start. As you can see, on my Windows 7 64-bit is about to begin. You need to install it. You need to. It takes some time. It takes about an hour or 15 minutes, depends on your PC. Select your language. Click on Install Now, and setup is about to start. The main purpose of using a different OS. I see. You can even divide your disk. You can create a new disk, like out of 35 GB. I'm gonna create 5 GB of, I mean, nearly 5 GB or 4.9 something GB of D drive or something. Disk partition 2. Click on Next, and it takes time to install. You can run this VirtualBox on your background, and you can work on your main operating system. As I said, the partition on your RAM uh, makes you to do the work. Like, I'm running the Windows 7 64-bit here. It's using the 2 GB of my RAM, and as you can see here, wait, let me show you. See, the 52% of my memory is used. That means 4 GB of my memories. The main thing is using inside the 6 GB, and this thing is using 2 GB. It takes time to install, so you can do anything on your background. The main purpose of using the virtual OS is, the main thing is, you can learn what Windows is made of, or what are the things inside the Windows. Or if you install Linux, you can start learning Linux commands. The basic purpose is this, or you can even You can even install some of the softwares which may be harmful to your the main OS. You can test the softwares on your virtual operating system. So if this gets damaged, nothing will happen to your the main operating system because these um, RAM and the virtual hard disks are totally separated by a virtual boundary. So nothing happens. You can just play with this operating system. If you mess this up, nothing happens. So we're gonna wait for some time. I'm gonna skip this for a little bit for you guys so it doesn't make you bored up a little. So let's wait for some time. Okay, you can see here guys my um, Windows installation has been complete. I'm restarting right now, and as you can see my Windows is starting up. As you can see I'm using a pirated version of Windows 7 64-bit. If you have any mm, original version of the CD of Windows 7, you can uh, you can input that product ID later when it comes when it pops up. Finally, my setup of Windows 7 64-bit is about to end. Now you'll get some pop-up menu where you need to enter the product ID. You can skip it if you have the pirated version, or if you have any product ID, you can just type it in. The setup is preparing the configurations. As I said, it takes some time because uh, as oh yeah, now you can input any name, anything. As you can see, I've typed the name admin. Click on next. Password no. If you want, you can see. As I was saying before, if you have any product ID, you can just enter it. But I don't have any. I'll just skip it. Select the time on which country you're in. I'm from India, so I'm gonna set Indian Standard Time. Click on Home Network. If you are using for the basic purpose, you can just go for Home Network. Finally, my Windows 7 Ultimate is running on my virtual box, and as you can see I'm using both my Windows 8.1 Pro and Windows 7 Ultimate on my on a single computer. That's the use of VirtualBox. Even you can install many operating systems on your VirtualBox. It doesn't matter how many you install. Make sure that you use the less amount of RAM what you have. So that's it guys for today. You can see you have learned how to use VirtualBox and how to install it. For more videos, just stay tuned on my YouTube network and please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.